Ever seen smartphone gadgets so crazy they actually work? I tested 5 of the wildest, most unique phone accessories. And trust me, some of them completely blew my mind. Let's check them out. Kiorafoto Umbrella. A tiny umbrella for your phone? Ever struggled to see your phone screen in bright sunlight? The Kiorafoto phone umbrella is a mini sunshade that attaches to your phone using MagSafe or adhesive, protecting your screen from glare, reflections, and heat. With a flexible angle design and rotatable phone ring for easy grip, this is perfect for outdoor use, watching content, or taking selfies without screen glare. It looks weird, but it actually works. Check the description for deals. Amaran Go Magnetic Selfie Phone Light. Pro lighting in your pocket. The Amaran Go Magnetic Selfie Light is a game changer for content creators. It snaps onto your phone magnetically, providing dual LED lighting with adjustable brightness for flawless selfies, vlogs, and makeup application. Designed for MagSafe and Qi 2 compatible phones, this compact studio-quality light gives your videos and photos a serious glow-up. If you love taking perfect selfies or filming content, this is a must-have. Find the best pricing in the description. MILOUZ Remote Control Scroller. Hands-free TikTok and ebook scrolling. Imagine browsing TikTok, reading Kindle books, or swiping Instagram, all without touching your phone. The MILOUZ Remote Control Scroller lets you scroll through pages, turn ebook pages, and even take photos with a Bluetooth remote. It works with iPhones, Androids, iPads, and tablets, making it perfect for hands-free scrolling, whether you're binge-watching or deep into an ebook. Check out the link in the description. Jangler Auto Face Tracking Tripod. A 360-degree smart camera. Stand for TikTok and live streams. The Jangler Auto Face Tracking Tripod is a motion tracking phone stand that follows your movements automatically. No app required. Whether you're filming a dance, streaming, or making tutorials, this 360-degree rotating stand ensures you're always in the frame. With gesture control, remote operation, and AI tracking, this gadget makes filming effortless, giving cinematic shots without needing a cameraman. Find the latest pricing in the description. MoKo Neck Phone Holder, the ultimate hands-free experience. The MoKo Neck Phone Holder is a lazy gooseneck stand that lets you watch movies, take calls, or scroll TikTok completely hands-free. Designed for comfort and flexibility, you can wear it around your neck or prop it up on a desk. It fits all phones and even tablets, making it perfect for long video calls, workouts, or binge-watching your favorite shows without arm strain. It looks silly, but it's surprisingly useful. Check the description for exclusive offers. If you want glare-free phone usage, the Kiorafoto Phone Umbrella is a fun pick. For perfect lighting anywhere, the Amaran Go Magnetic Selfie Light is a game changer. Need hands-free scrolling? The MILOUZ Remote Scroller is surprisingly addictive. If you're a TikToker or content creator, the Jangler Auto Face Tracking Tripod is a must-have. And for pure lazy comfort, the MoKo Neck Phone Holder actually works better than it looks. Which of these wild smartphone gadgets would you try? Let me know in the comments. Check the description for links to all the featured gadgets.